I can see that there are some more guys doing some comments here, and Marcelo Tomas said here, thank you, Carlos Sierra, COE. Saved me a lot of times. I can say the same. Thank you for that.
No problem. This COE, it was a family of scripts. The most significant one, it was I would say it was COE explain was one of them, and the other one is COE transfer SQL profile. Those are the ones which I know. I mean, people use the longest. COE explain and then COE transfer SQL profile. So most probably when I hear someone that it saved the day, it most probably was COE transfer SQL profile, which still people use today. I mean, even recently, someone was asking me if I can provide the latest version of this script, right? And I do. I mean, I have the latest version of the script, even though today, I mean, we have replaced all these scripts with like the super new versions, which I mean, they're not called COE anymore. So they have a different acronym these days. But yeah, I mean, that was kind of the beginning. I mean, doing stuff like how do we copy an execution plan from one environment to another, right? That was typical the issue that we had in hand. It's like a typical case is like, oh, we have this execution plan that is fine here, but in this other environment, we have a bad plan. How do we fix it? Well, it's easy to transfer the execution plan from one environment to another, and then like magic, I mean, your performance is back to normal. So yeah, the only thing I would say is whenever you're using tools like this, just be careful, because this is like any drug. You become an addict. So you become an addict. So once you start hammering plans, you want to do that every day, right? You want to see, I mean, how do I get the perfect performance? And it's dangerous, because I mean, now you are not letting the cost-based optimizer do its job, and you're trying to do better, right? So that is my only advice. Just be careful not to overuse the script.
All right. And you got so addicted that you did many tools to reuse. That's
yeah. Well, I have to confess here a few things. I have really bad memory, right? So I can see, well, first when people say, oh, you're a DBA, I have to say, well, I'm not really a DBA. I don't see myself as a DBA. If I had to put a label of what is that I do, I would say I'm more like a database developer, which is a weird name, but it's like a database developer, because my thing is to write tools and write the scripts. And the reason I do this is like, if you ask me, I mean, just to, I don't know, to extend a table space, I don't know the command. I know pretty much the shape of the command. I know I have used that before many times, but I don't memorize anything. I don't memorize. So I have to write my scripts and my tools. So whenever I have to do something, I just run my script, right? So I don't have to be remembering the special syntax and the command, and is this $B SQL or is $B something else. I don't have to memorize anything. I just put together everything I need on the scripts. And the most I have to kind of memorize is like, where do I find them, right? If I know the topic is there, I know I have done something about it, I am pretty sure I have a script, and then I find my script and I just run my script. So I rather invest the time to look for the commands and the syntax and stuff one time and then reuse many times.